Welcome. Today, we're going to learn the preparation of a juicy burger patty. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add ground meat. Combine the ground meat with ginger garlic paste. Use your hands to mix the ingredients until combined. Add approximately 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper for each pound of meat and mix it well. Shape each portion into evenly sized balls, weighing about 4 to 6 ounces. Using a measuring machine, place them on a tray. Now transfer the portions to the patty shaper machine. Place sheets in between to prevent the patties from sticking to each other. Place all the shaped patty in the tray. Turn on the commercial flat top grill. Once it's heated, add ice cubes to clean the surface. Next, apply butter evenly on the grill. Place the patties on the grill. Remove the sheets. Use the pepper dispenser to sprinkle pepper over the patties. Once one side is cooked, flip the patties. Add more pepper powder and let them fry. Add cheese on top of the patties and let it melt slightly. Once done, remove the patties from the grill, and your juicy burger patties are ready.